Hi mga amiga. Naong sa na-stress? Kabala mo, asap ako. Napa ko sa 3 page. Naong sa na-stress, bin. Naong sa na-stress. Naong sa na-stress, aning science, yawa, tanawa, baga pa kayo. Wala pa ko kahuman. Yate. Ako lang pamatakaan. Ning kulot akong naong hasta ang akong kibot. Ning kulot. Di madam, maskin musikan pa na ko. Di yun madami ka. You may have filled in the chart to the question tambot lang. Okay. Your turn. Read the passage and answer the questions about the sequence of steps in the circulatory system. Wala ko kayo namdum. Medyo bright man ko sa una sa science, pero kini murag gikan grade 4 ding ambak og 12th grade. Pero wala pa mo to iun-anay mga amiga. Ay, nako. Mura ko kabantay mo na ko naong murag gi elektrikan. Usa na kanang murag bag unsay tawag ana? Nakurintihan. Tanaw niyo ko buhok oh. Murag nakurintihan kasi ko pangot ko. Ang akong buhok mura nakurintihan. Kaya sige ko pangutkot. Oh, try. The heart is made of muscle tissue that contract at regular intervals, pumping blood. The blood travels through tubes called blood vessels. From the heart, blood flows to the arteries and then to the capillaries. Diba? Arteries, capillaries, matrix. Their nutrients, hormones, and other move from the tissues in the blood. From the capillaries, blood travels through small veins to larger veins and back to heart. Naglibog ko. So, balik siya, biyay siya nga to, balik siya. Pinaagi sa, ang dugo, ning biyahe, pinaagi sa small veins, gagmay mga ugat. To dagko nga mga ugat, and back to the heart. So, nibiyahe siya, nga tos gika sa, pinagi sa gamay nga kuan, nga tos kuan, unya, nibiyahe siya, balik sa kuang heart. Katay, yawa! Oh my goodness! I hate this. Where does the blood travel from the capillaries? Where does the blood travel from the capillaries? Asa naman to dapat? The blood travels through small veins. Mga niron. Their nutrients at the same time wastes move the. Where does the blood travel from the capillaries? The blood through small veins. Through blood travel through ngano man ning dili man kuan through small veins ngano gamay ra magani og blanco bahala ka diha oy through small veins through small veins to larger veins. And back to the heart. Which two steps happen at the same time? Which two step? The small veins and the kuan. The heart is made of a muscle tissue pumping blood. The blood travels through the tubes called blood vessels. From the heart, blood flows to the arteries and then to capillaries. Where does the blood travel from the capillaries? There are nutrients, hormones, and other materials move out. Which two steps? What is the purpose of this calcularity system? Ambot lang eh. The two step is from veins to two step. From small veins to larger. What is the purpose of this calculatory system? It's about the calculatory system, the circulatory muna diha kamayabas pa system pumps blood through small veins kataas ani gagi. The blood travels from the capillaries through small veins. Bahala ka diha. Okay, this distilled water is used in many process. Read the paragraph, then put the events in the proper time or order in the charts. Distilled water is used in many processes because the tap water contains impurities. Making distilled water relies on physical charges that require the addition of removal of energy. The step in distilling water from the tap water require the water change from one to start to another. Asa balik una ani? Unsa man iyang gihatag ni ma'am nako? Mura man ni reviewer. Ako kasabot ani na mga answer. Unya, murag dili mao. Check your answers on page 60. Wow. Check your answer on page 60. To as a answer key book. Ako na ino ko ma'am. Ma'am, pwede ako na lang mo. Pwede ako mo check akong answer like before. Kay pwede naman ako mang-erase. Kay lapis ako nga. Yung pasangin di ko anak-anak. Pasangin lang ko anak-anak dayon. Ako na i-reason. Pwede memorize na akong answer. What body parts does a grasshopper have during the third stage at this? Ay, nako, ambot lang sa mini. Mo eskwela ko, manyawa pa ko na human. Ano dia. So, nahuman ako upat ka page. Kauban ako upat ka page. Unya, 73 man eh. Okay kayo. Okay. That's enough for now. Tara na to ugma og makapasa ba ko sa kuwang, maka-turn in ba ko sa kuwang assignment. Makapas ba ko. Bye-bye.